Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Quick Creations. And it's been a while since we have shown how to make a microwave mug meal on our channel, and that's exactly what we are going to do in this video. But guys, do not worry if you don't have a microwave at home. We are going to tell you an alternative to microwave, so watch the entire video for that.
So guys, today we are making donuts in a mug. So traditionally a donut is deep fried and is made using yeast, but we thought let's just put all that hassle away and let's make donuts in a mug, which are very recreatable, and you guys can make this in very little time using very few ingredients.
So today we are making sugar and spice vanilla donut and a double chocolate donut, which you guys are going to absolutely fall in love with. Without further ado, let's get quick creating. To start off with, we're going to take a big microwave safe cup or a mug, and to that we're going to add in all our dry ingredients, starting off with some all-purpose flour or maida. Then we're going to add in some powdered sugar. Then we're going to add in our baking powder and cinnamon powder to get that spice taste in our mug. And using a spoon, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients really well. All our dry ingredients are sifted well, so make sure that you sift all the dry ingredients well before putting them in the cup. Once that's done, we're going to add in our wet ingredients, starting off by adding some salted butter. Then we're going to add in some milk. Make sure that you melt your salted butter really well to remove any lumps. And then we're going to add in our vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla extract, feel free to use some vanilla essence. Then using a fork, we're going to mix all the wet ingredients well with our dry ingredients. Make sure that you mix all the ingredients well, because sometimes the dry ingredients tend to stick at the bottom of the cup. Now we're going to add in some more milk to get the consistency of this kind. You don't want your batter to be too flowy, you don't want your batter to be too dense. This is the exact consistency that you want. Then we're going to roll in some parchment paper or cooking paper, and then we're going to put it in the center of the mug. Now it's time to microwave our donut. We're going to microwave it for 1.5 minutes at the highest temperature. Look at it guys, it looks just like a donut. Just remove the parchment paper really carefully and voila, your donut is ready. Just keep it aside to cool a little bit, and till then let's make our double chocolate donut. For our double chocolate donut, we're going to repeat the same process, and we're going to add in all our dry ingredients in a microwave safe cup or a mug. If you're a non-vegetarian, feel free to switch to eggs instead of baking powder. Now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients really well using a spoon, and it's time to add our wet ingredients. We're going to start off by adding some melted salted butter. You can also switch to some flavorless oil if you don't have some salted butter. Then we're going to add in some milk in batches. Now we're adding our milk in batches so that our batter doesn't overflow. Make sure that you cover 3/4 of your cup with the batter so that the donut gets a good rise and it comes at the top of the cup. Now we're going to add in our vanilla extract and the rest of the milk, and using a fork we're going to mix it all up until it's well combined. Then we're going to roll in some parchment paper and we're going to stick it in the center of the mug. Now we're going to cook it in the microwave at the highest temperature. Now if you don't have a microwave, you can also switch to a kadhai or a hot pot. The setup is shown in our Nutella mug cake recipe, so do check out the link. And once that's done, we're going to remove our parchment paper really carefully. Once our mug donuts are ready, it's time to make the glaze for our donuts. For that, we're going to take hot cream in 2 different bowls. In 1 cup, we're going to add some grated white chocolate, and in the other cup, we are adding some pieces of dark chocolate. Using a spoon, we're going to mix it all together until the chocolate gets completely melted in the cream. Now in the white chocolate glaze, you can add in some red food color drops to get that pink glaze. Now you can set aside this mixture until it becomes a little thick, or you can start working with it immediately to get that drip effect on the donut. Using a spoon, pour your pink glaze on the donut like so. Don't worry if it drips to the side of the cup, we can always clean it using a tissue. And now we're going to decorate it with some colorful sprinkles on the top of the donut. You can skip this process completely and enjoy your donut as it is, but who doesn't like a donut with some white chocolate on top? So that is why we're going to go ahead with this. Now that's what we call the perfect sugar and spice vanilla donut in a mug. Now let's work with our double chocolate donut. For that we're going to add in our dark chocolate glaze on top of the chocolate donut like so using a spoon. We're going to spread it out evenly to create that glaze. And we're going to top it all off with some silver balls. If you don't have silver balls, then you can also switch to some grated dark chocolate. Just look at it guys, our double chocolate donut looks so pretty. It's so delicious and it got ready in only 1.5 minutes, and that too in a mug. You can check out our other mug recipes in our mug playlist on our channel. Now it's time to dig in. Just look at it guys, the texture of our donut should not be too cakey or too dense, and it shouldn't also be too moist. It is of the perfect consistency and it is of the perfect texture like you can see over here. To see more tasty and delicious updates, you can also follow us on our Instagram account at Quick Creations. Keep coming for more such delightful and tasty quick creations guys on our channel. We come up with a new video every Monday and Friday, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this recipe. One of the most popular videos on our YouTube channel is the Choco Lava mug cake. So we thought let's just make another mug recipe and add it to our mug playlist.
So guys, we had a lot of fun making these cute little donuts in a mug. If you guys have any suggestion or any challenge to make a meal in a mug, do let us know in the comment section and we'll be up for that challenge, I guess.
But what if they just, ask us to make something really tacky or difficult in a mug?
But I'm up for a challenge, it'll be fun.
Okay, bring it on. And also we have posted all the ingredients and the products that you are going to need to make this recipe in the description box below. So check them out.
And guys, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, bell button. And that's it for today guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.